During a May 3rd ceremony at the Koger Center for the Arts, Richland One honored 420 high school students who completed career and technical education programs of study within the 16 national career clusters. CTE is designed to prepare students for the workforce, collegiate studies, or military service upon graduation from high school. Many of this year's CTE Completers earned dual credit for college, received national and state certifications in their fields of study, and gained real-world experiences through apprenticeships, internships, and shadowing opportunities. The Richland One Realtors Open House and Breakfast was held on May 6th at Hayward Career and Technology Center. The event for area realtors and other invited guests provided information about the district that may be helpful for those moving into the area.
As you go around, speak to, tell me about your children. What are their interests? And I guarantee you, in Richland One, there's a program for that. There's a program for that.
Richland One has earned system accreditation for another 5 years from Cognia, a nonprofit organization that provides quality assurance for schools, school districts, and education service providers. Cognia nationally recognizes districts that meet rigorous standards that focus on productive learning environments, equitable resource allocation that meets the needs of learners, and effective leadership. Dreher High School's band program has earned the 2021-2022 Outstanding Performance Award from the South Carolina Band Directors Association, the highest honor for band programs in the state. Dreher's program is one of only 11 band programs statewide to receive the recognition in the 3A division. The three-time 3A high school girls basketball state champions, the Keenan High School Lady Raiders, were recently recognized at the State House for their latest state championship victory. What an impressive accomplishment! Congratulations! Mr. Eric Hill's 7th grade science class at Hand Middle School conducted an experiment to extract DNA from strawberries. The students successfully extracted DNA and wrote a lab report. Registration is open now for Richland One Summer SOAR 2022 programs and camps. Summer SOAR will begin Monday, June 13th and continue through Thursday, July 28th. Sessions will be offered at elementary school, middle school, and high school sites across the district. For more information, go to www.richlandone.org. And that's what's happening inside Richland One.